Welcome to the Nutanix Cloud Summit Video Spotlight Series. We're here with Evan Slack, Sales Director at Carahsoft. Evan, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I'd like to start by asking, based on your experience, how are federal agencies balancing their use of their data centers and on-premises resources versus public cloud services?
Yeah, it's been interesting watching the government's evolution of moving to the cloud. What started with cloud first and grew into cloud smart was all accelerated in 2020. And I think some agencies felt rushed in moving to the cloud. But here in 2022, I think we're using the cloud in a lot of good ways. What I think we've overlooked is the on-premise technology hasn't been modernized to epitomize or optimize the hybrid cloud environment. So that's what I think is the next step for government, because I think there's still two different pieces to their puzzle versus that mesh of a hybrid cloud.
And then as you kind of look ahead, what do you think is maybe the most important thing that agencies really need to accomplish in the next 2 years on the technology front?
It could be a long list of what the government needs to accomplish in the next 2 years. So there's no shortage of projects to tackle in technology. To me, the number one concern is still security and cybersecurity. Unfortunately or fortunately, there's no one solution that fits all to that. I think the best place that I would start would be in the network segmentation area. I think that would minimize the impact zone if there is a security event, or if and when that does happen, you've minimized it by segmenting and creating an air gap in your network infrastructure, and you can do that through software, through different platforms. But when you do that, your ability to remediate and recover from those events if and when they should happen is greatly improved. So I would start there from a cybersecurity and security perspective, and then build out from that position.
Makes a lot of sense. Well, Evan Slack, thank you so much for joining us here at the Nutanix Cloud Together Summit.
Thank you.